Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about admission of a partner, part 1. In this part, we will discuss why we admit a partner and new profit sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio. First, why we admit a partner? A firm admit a new partner in the business when more capital is needed for expansion of the business and when a competent and experienced person is needed for efficient running of the business. Third one, to increase the goodwill and reputation of the business by taking a reputed person into the partnership firm. Admission of a partner is one of the mode of reconstitution of partnership firm. According to the Partnership Act 1932, a new partner can be admitted into the firm only when all existing partners agree. If all existing partners are not agreed, then we can't admit a partner into the partnership firm. With the admission of a new partner, the partnership firm is reconstituted and a new agreement is entered into to carry on the business. When a new partner is admitted, then he acquired two main rights in the firm. First right is right to share assets of the partnership firm, and second, the right to share profit into the partnership firm. Newly admitted partner acquired two main rights. First right to share assets of the partnership firm, and second one is right to share profits of the partnership firm. For the right to acquire share in the assets and profit into the partnership firm, the partner brings an agreed amount of capital either in cash or in kind form. Moreover, if the business is earning more profit than the normal rate of return, then the new partner is required to contribute some additional amount, which is known as premium and goodwill. So we can say that he has the right to acquire shares in the assets and profit of the partnership firm. The partner brings an agreed amount of capital, either in cash or in kind. Second, when he is admitted, then he has to bring additional amount that is known as premium or goodwill. And next one is when we admit a particular partner, in that case, what calculation we have to do? First one is new profit sharing ratio. Second one is sacrificing ratio. Third one is accounting treatment of goodwill. Fourth one is revaluation and revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Fifth one is distribution of accumulated profits and losses. And sixth one is adjustment of partners' capital. In this, we will discuss how to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. Here we can calculate new profit sharing ratio. First, when old partners ratio is given, new partner share is given, how we can calculate new profit sharing ratio? Here the question is, Anil and Vishal are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. They admit Sumit as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profit of the firm. We had to calculate new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. Here we have two partners, Anil and Vishal, which are old partners. Okay, their ratio is 3:2. Now new partner Sumit is admitted. Firm's share of profit is 1. Smith जो नया पार्टनर आया है उसका शेयर, his share is 1/5. Remaining share after Smith, remaining share of firm after Sumit share, that is 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Now this 4 by 5 would be given to Anil and Vishal. Anil's new share is 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. The ratio is 12 by 25. Vishal's share, new share, 4 by 5 is to 2 by 5, then the ratio is 8 by 25. Now, three partners are Anil, Vishal and Sumit. Their new ratio is, new profit sharing ratio is, Anil's share is 12 by 25, 8 by 25 and 1 by 5. We can write 12 is to 8 is to 5. This is new ratio. Now here the another question which help us to calculate new profit sharing ratio. When new partner share is given, and it is also given how much he takes from his share from old partners in a particular ratio. Here the question is, Akshay and Bharti are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. They admit Dinesh as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profit of the firm, which he gets equally from Akshay and Bharti. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Akshay, Bharti and Dinesh. Here we have all partners. The name of all partners is Akshay and Bharti, and their ratio is 3:2. Dinesh is new partner, which is admitted into the partnership firm. Dinesh share is 1 by 5. And he takes equally 1 by 2 from Akshay and 1 by 2 from Bharti. Dinesh takes from Bharti. Bharti से वो कितना शेयर ले रहा है? Sorry, from Akshay. Dinesh takes from Akshay. The share is 1 by 5 into 1 by 2, 1 by 10. Dinesh takes from Bharti. The share is 1 by 5 into 1 by 2. He takes 1 by 10 from Bharti. Akshay's new share is, his old share is 3 by 5. He gives 1 by 10 to Dinesh. Now the share with him is, we can calculate it, 6 LCM, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 10. Then Bharti's new share is, his old share is 2 by 5. He gives 1 by 10 to Dinesh. The remaining share is, we can calculate it by taking LCM. LCM is 10. If 5 is to 10, then 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3 by 10. Okay. Now the ratio of all these partners is, now the partners are Akshay, Bharti and Dinesh. Their new profit sharing ratio is, Akshay share is 5 by 10. Bharti share is 3 by 10. Dinesh share is 1 by 5. We can write it 5 By taking LCM 5:3:2, this is new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio after admitting D into the partnership firm. When new partner take his share of profit from old partners in a particular ratio, which we have done earlier, this is also same type of question. Anshu and Neetu are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. They admit Jyoti as a new partner for 3/10 share, which she acquires 2/10 from Anshu's share and 1/10 from Neetu. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Anshu, Neetu, and Jyoti. We have old partners. The name is Anshu and Neetu. Their share is 3/5 Anshu shares and 2/5 is Neetu share. Jyoti is a new partner. Jyoti's share of profit is 3/10. Jyoti takes from Anshu, that is 2/10. And Jyoti takes from Neetu, that is 1/10. Anshu's new share is Anshu's new share is 3/5 is old share. He has given 2/10. Then LCM is 10. 6 minus 2. The remaining share is Anshu has 4/10. Now Neetu. Neetu's new share is 2/5 minus 1/10. LCM is 10. 4 minus 1, 3/10. Then new profit sharing ratio of Anshu, Neetu and Jyoti. New profit sharing ratio, that is 4/10, 3/10, 3/10, and we can write 4:3:3. And next question is related to calculating new profit sharing ratio. Here, one more question which is related with when old partners surrender a particular fraction of their share to a new partner. Here we have the question in which R and S are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. Now they admit G as a new partner. R surrender 1/4 of his share and S surrender 1/3 of his share in favor of G. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of R, S, and G. We have old partners R and S. Their ratio is 3/5 and 2/5. New partner, G is admitted. G is a new partner. G takes, or you may say R surrender 1/4 of his share. His share is 3/5. That becomes 3/20 to G. S surrenders, sorry beta, S surrender 1/3 of his share. His share is 2/5, that is 2/15 to G. His new share is 3/20 plus 2/15. The LCM is 69 plus 8, then it is equal to 17/60. R's new share is his old share is 3/5. Then he gives 3/20. Remaining share is, then we can calculate by taking LCM. LCM is 24. 4 into 3, 12 minus 3, 9/20. And we can calculate S's new share. S's new share is 2/5 is old and he has given 2/15. The LCM is 15. 3 2 is 6 minus 2, 4/15. And the ratio of R, S and G is, R's new share is 9/20. S new share is 4/15. And his share is 17/60. And we can equalize it by taking LCM. LCM is 60. R's share is 20 is divided by 63. 3 is to 9, 27. 4 4 is 16 and 17. The new ratio is 27 is to 16 is to 17. This is the question. And the next one is how we can calculate sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is calculated. Old share of profit is reduced from new profit sharing ratio. Then we can calculate sacrificing ratio. Here we have one more question that is related with the calculation of sacrificing ratio. R and M are partner. Their old share is 5:3. They admit B into the partnership firm for 1/7 share in the profit. New profit sharing ratio is 4:2:1. We have to calculate sacrificing ratio of RM. Okay, then we can write old profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio of R and M, that is 5:3, or we write it 5/8 or 3/8. Then new profit sharing ratio of, now we have three partner R, M and B. 4:2:1. We can write it 4/7, 2/7, 1/7. Then we have to calculate sacrifice. Sacrifice of R is equal to old share. Old share is 5/8. New share is 4/7. LCM is 56. When we divide 8/56, 7 is to 5, 35 minus 32. This is 3/56, which is sacrifice of R. Then we can calculate sacrifice of M. M's old share is 3/8. New share is 2/7. LCM is 56. 7 3 is 21 minus 8 into 2, 16. The ratio is 5/56. The sacrificing ratio of R and M is 3 by 56 is to 5 by 56. The ratio is 3 is to 5.